Yeah, kia ora, my name's Dave Waddell. I'm the senior team leader here at Wakari School, and I've been teaching here for almost 4 years. What inspired us here to make the switch to solar power was we were looking at a sustainability project that we could conduct with all the children at the school, and it ended us on a journey going down to how could we reduce our carbon footprint. And we figured out that getting an amazing array of solar panels installed at our school was a fantastic way to help us reduce our carbon footprint, as well as the kids investigating it to realise the positive impacts it could have for us. So the school has found the process of working with Dunedin Solar really positive right from the start. First made contact with James, I think it was about late 2023, to get this idea underway, and then from there really gone above and beyond with Laura at the team coming to our school and running sessions with every single class to show them about the system and its benefits as a part of our big sustainability project, and then right through to the install and then the operation of the system. They've been really fantastic to deal with, and then a final lovely touch has been coming back to seeing the kids and showing them all the awesome numbers that we're producing as a nice finish to the whole process. So yeah, been really enjoyable to work with.
Dunedin Solar was super excited to be approached by Wakari as part of their sustainability project. We did lots of work with them throughout the process to help educate the children on what's involved in installing solar, what are the benefits in installing solar, whether that might be economical or environmental. The team over the Christmas break popped all the panels up on the roof, and by the time the kids were back, the solar was operational and they had access to all the fantastic apps and can monitor what's going on.
The solar installation for us has sparked a lot of fantastic conversations within the school community about its impact on the environment, especially around the school regarding turning off lights has been a great part of that. Our junior team, as a part of this project, created a whole lot of stickers about turning off lights and heat pumps as well, and then the kids throughout the school, just seeing them physically on the roofs of the buildings, we'll talk about it, and then also back in the classes looking at the data behind it with the Wakari Solar app has generated lots of neat conversations as well. So it's generated a lot of positive conversations about what we're doing for our environment.
When I saw the solar panels on our school, I was really happy because it's really good for the environment and we're not using fossil fuels.
I think that our school is really unique in the fact that we can use the sun's energy to power our learning equipment.
Do I feel proud that the school is helping our planet? Yes, I do, because that means that the planet will be a way better place to live in.
If my classroom was powered by sunshine, I'd name it the Wattage Cottage.
If my classroom was powered by sunshine, I'd call it the solar room.
It's been fantastic to come back now, like 3-4 months later, and give them a rundown of how the system is operating. So far, they've saved over $1,500 and produced over 9.5 megawatts of energy in just 3 or 4 months, which is fantastic. Hopefully, this is paving the way for schools in Dunedin to look at solar as a sustainability project to help get the kids excited about what it can do for them and their school.
Yeah, I hope that the move our school's made to solar will have a positive impact on the wider school community in Dunedin, really to kind of prepare a bit of a pathway and show other schools how to get it done and what you can do in terms of reducing your footprint as a school, and good economical benefits too for schools that can maybe put some of the money back into their schools that would have gone to some other power companies. So I just hope it inspires other people to also use it as a way for children to get involved in a really special project on how they can be more sustainable. If the students could take one big idea away from this process of getting solar installed at our school, it would be really that they are really powerful in their opinions and ideas for positive change within their community and their lives going forward. So I'd love them to be learning about how to think critically about positive solutions for their environments into the future, and learning about all the positive benefits too that come with solar energy.